McAlester Army Ammunition Plant, or MACAP, is the premier bomb and warhead manufacturing facility and largest explosive storage facility in the Department of Defense. We are also the leader in partnering with major defense contractors, resulting in the latest and most innovative weapons in support of our war fighters. In 1997, MACAP partnered with then Texas Instruments to produce the joint standoff weapon used by the U.S. Air Force and U.S. Navy. Later bought out by Raytheon, they then turned to MACAP to assist them in integrating the latest innovation in artillery technology, the Excalibur projectile. The Excalibur is a fire-and-forget GPS-guided projectile that was fielded 3 months earlier than planned to support our warfighters in Iraq.
That is a precision-guided munition launched from a 155. It's 24/7. There's no other munition, precision-guided munition like that. It's proven its effectiveness on the battlefield. And I think the proven effectiveness is a direct result of the time and effort that the employees, both here at McAlester and at Raytheon, their efforts, the countless number of hours that they put in.
Other major defense contractor partnerships with MACAP include Boeing, where we explosive load the Harpoon and Slam warheads. We've also partnered with Boeing to produce the 30,000-pound massive ordnance penetrator. Additionally, we have a long history of producing bombs for General Dynamics, ranging from 500 pounds to the 5,000-pound penetrator.
Graduated high school on 17th day of May, and 5 days later I was in the Army, and I never came home. I've been around all this ordnance all my life, you know, close enough to see the bombs go off. Well, I come here, I got the job I wanted. I'm a production worker, making bombs, demilling bombs. You know, production's where the rubber meets the road. That's what we do here. That's where it's real.
One of the things that I think that McAlester Army Ammunition Plant does is that you put the teeth in the tiger for the warfighter. Without your great efforts, everything we do would be meaningless. And so it starts here.
MACAP is actively engaged in recovering TNT from obsolete bombs and projectiles, refining the TNT to current military specification, and reusing that TNT in new bombs, saving the taxpayer money and saving the environment. To date, we have recycled more than 22 million pounds of TNT. We have also developed procedures to recover other types of explosives for the commercial mining industry.
Well, see, I grew up with these people, so I know these people are they're true patriots. There's no question to the heart and soul they're putting into this job, because it is a very important job. We rely on these munitions to save people's lives. The weapons we're going to use are made by our people here.
Railroads play a critical role in rapidly responding to requests from warfighters. The ability to repair or replace railroad track is another unique capability offered by MACAP's mobile rail team. This deployable asset can repair, provide maintenance, or construct new rail tracks, and have assisted government installations like NASA at Cape Canaveral, Fort Bliss, Fort Bragg, Pine Bluff Arsenal, Fort Leonard Wood, and many others. Shipping equipment and munitions to the warfighters require the use of wood and metal pellets. MACAP has the capability of producing up to 1,000 wood pallets every 24 hours and is the Department of Defense's prime producer of wood pallets and packaging. The plant also heat treats the wood pellet to ensure the pine nematode is destroyed, a requirement by the European Union before they will accept wood pallets. As a partner with the U.S. Navy, we also produce metal pellets for their use. We have a 13,760 square foot pellet production facility capable of producing 2,000 metal pellets a month, incorporating modern advancements of robotic technology.
We have engineers that design them, and we build them to their specifications of whatever the customer requires. We're capable of building whatever's needed.
One day south of Baghdad early morning, we had Marines that were under attack. They were in close contact with the enemy as a troops in contact situation. And, they called in with 2 GBU-12s, which would be 2 500-pounders. That directly saved American lives. I mean, these guys, the shooting stops instantly once that bomb does its work. It takes everybody in the loop, but ultimately that bomb strapped out there on the airplane, when I walk out there in a combat scenario, and I'm going to do it again this fall, and people are doing it right now every day, when they walk out to the airplane, those bombs are on there, they're counting on those. American lives are counting on those weapons to work and function correctly should they be called upon. We take pride in putting bombs where they need to go, and when they go there, we need them to work, and they need to be effective. And the folks today, the dedication of effort, I just cannot believe how dedicated and professional, and the ability to quality control the weapons at the end stage to ensure that we're getting that end product is just phenomenal. The steps that goes through to get that bomb that is guaranteed to work.
MacCap is a vital strategic partner with Department of Defense contractors. Call 918-420-6452 or visit maccap.army.mil to see how McAlester Army Ammunition Plant can partner with you.